This message was transmitted by the request of the New York City Police Department. A purple creature with 3 eyes was spotted floating in the New York City park. Police are checking at this creature, but all residents must stay away from this purple creature. If you see it, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the New York City Police Department. The purple creature is now identified as Inner Flame Candle. She is a purple lit wax candle from inanimate insanity and has started to make people float. All residents of the New York City park must evacuate and do not make any noise, because Inner Flame Candle will hear you. If you see her, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation. This is a child abduction emergency. This message was transmitted by the request of the New York City Police Department. Police are looking for a child named David Smith, age 11, 5 feet inches tall, with brown hair and blue eyes. He was last seen wearing a dinosaur t-shirt, black pants, and white shoes. This child was believed to be abducted by Inner Flame Candle. Police has sent Therizinosaurus to kill Inner Flame Candle. The child David Smith was found safe by an abandoned house. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the United States News. I'm Nathan Stephen. And we have some breaking news that the purple creature now known as Inner Flame Candle is carrying people at her path. Also, Therizinosaurus is trying his best to stop her. In Manhattan is my reporter Peter. So Peter, what's going on in Manhattan?
I'm down here in Manhattan and it's completely chaos. There are a lot of people screaming while this purple creature, now known as Inner Flame Candle, is carrying people at her path. Also, her eyes are normal and her eyes are purple with blue. Seriously Nathan, I don't know how she got here. Oh no, Inner Flame Candle sees me with her 3 eyes. I need to get out of here now.
Dang, well I guess Peter is dead. But anyways, all residents must stay away from the Inner Flame Candle as she will carry you. That's all I have for now. This is Nathan Stephen, signing off.
This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Inner flame candle is carrying cars at her path. She throws them into buildings. Therizinosaurus is trying his best to stop her. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the New York City Police Department. Inner flame candle is squeezing people to death. Therizinosaurus is trying his best to stop her from carrying people. All residents must stay indoors. Wait, what was that sound?
There is no magic, just your inner flame.
Oh no, Inner Flame Candle has broken into the EAS headquarters. I've got to get out of here now.
This message was transmitted by the request of the New York City Police Department. I'm Paul Dickinson and I have replaced Tom, since he was killed by Inner Flame Candle. Anyways, Therizinosaurus is going to battle with Inner Flame Candle. All residents must stay away from this battle. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation.
There is no magic, just your inner flame.
This message was transmitted by the request of the New York City Police Department. All clear, I repeat, all clear. Inner Flame Candle was killed by Therizinosaurus's claw. All residents of New York City, you can get out of your shelters. However, it could take a long time to repair the damage that Inner Flame Candle caused. We thank you for participating in the emergency alert system. Normal programming may now resume.